let us take this inequality, that is n a n b n n square a n. Now we find we give n a n 1 by n 1 by n to 1 by n in both, in all, 1 by n here as well, n square a n 1 by n as well, and thereafter we tend n tends to infinity to all, then this will be a n, this will be b n to the power 1 by n to the power 1 by n, and here also a n to the power 1 by n, because n to the 1 by n tends to 1 as n tends to infinity. Similarly, n square to the power 1 by n also tends to 1 as n tends to infinity. So these three are equal. These three are equal. When you keep the limit n tends to infinity, lt n tends to infinity, lt n tends to infinity. So now we see the first one. Here you see 4 equals to 4. So this 4 is not for this series. This 4 is for radius of convergence. So let us do for radius of convergence. Let us check convergency of the first series. Nth term is an xn. So according to Cauchy, we take 1 by n. Here lt n tends to infinity. So this becomes, this should be less than 1, or lt n tends to infinity a n 1 by n x must be less than 1. And if we do the same for the second series, then lt n tends to infinity. Nth term of second series is bn xn. So we take the same here, bn xn to the power 1 by n. So this will be lt n tends to infinity bn 1 by n x, and this should be less than 1. As you see here that both are equal, bn 1 by n n tends to infinity, and an 1 by n n tends to infinity. This coefficient, these two coefficients are equal, and as the radius of convergence of first series is 4 given in the question, so accordingly the radius of convergence of the second series should also be 4. So the radius of convergence of second series is 4, as the first one, as for the first one it is 4. So x should be less than 4. And now we go for the options. We have x less than 4. So mod x less than 2 is a subset of mod x less than 2. Here we got x should be less than 4. This means that 2 4, here 4 it will be excluded, 4 here minus 2 minus 4. So our convergence lies in this interval, and you see that mod x less than 2 means you have to go from this point to this point. You see that this interval lies inside this interval, so A is our correct option. So B will be wrong. And here you see does not converge for any x greater than 2. But here you see that this this bold line, in this bold line you see 3 is inside this interval and 3 is greater than 2, but it says that key does not converge for any x, but it converge for 3. So C is wrong. And here it does not converge for any x with mod x less than 2. But here you see less than 2 means it should not converge for x equals to 1, but here x equals to 1 is inside this interval. So D is also wrong. So A is our correct option.